The red wolves at the Ellie, Schiller, Homosassa Springs Wildlife State Park. Red wolves, like other wolves, have a bad reputation. The truth is that they are very shy. They are afraid of people. They are critically endangered. There are only about 250 left in the world. Here is one of the few places in the world where they live. Originally, we had 3 brothers. Jester, our male, has had 2 mates, first April, then Rose. In the wild, red wolves live in packs as families. They are the first animal to be extinct in the wild, then reintroduced into the wild. Join us in celebrating these beautiful animals. Visit the red wolves and the other animals at the Ellie, Schiller, Homosassa Springs Wildlife State Park. Produced by Park Volunteer Vicki Iozia. Narration by Park Volunteer Carol Androvich.
Thank you to the businesses who sponsored the 2017 Celebration of Lights. Those of Inverness. Walmart of Homosassa. Bristol Motor Car Company. Kane's Ace Hardware. Cody's Roadhouse. Citrus County Chronicle. Citrus 95.3 FM. Classic Hits 96.7 FM. WWJD 1450 AM. Dr. Tammy Plantation Animal Hospital.